What is a FICO score? Oh my god. Please don't tell me you do not know what a FICO score is. Sadly, yes, man. That is what we're here to discuss on today's video, is what is a FICO score? Because most teenagers can't even answer this simple question on what is a FICO score. FICO. I think I know what that is. FICO, Polo. I don't think that's what that is, correct? Well, in case you don't know what a FICO score is, guys, that's what we're going to discuss in today's video. So what is a FICO score? Well, for one, FICO score stands for Fair Isaac Corporation, or just simply put, FICO score. Now what it basically does is it creates a variety of credit cards for use by lenders, credit card issuers, and just a bunch of other creditors. Okay guys, anybody's gonna run your credit score, this is what they're gonna use to determine your credit. Now usually a FICO score will range anywhere from 300 to 850, with 300 being the lowest and 850 being the highest, meaning the higher the number, the better your credit is, okay? Now you will usually hear this term when you're applying for credit cards, mortgages, loans, just all those different type of things, okay guys? Basically any form of credit that you are going to be borrowing, you will usually hear the term FICO score. Now what this is basically used for is that many creditors use this FICO score, this number that you have for your credit score, and it basically helps them determine rates and certain terms depending on your FICO score, okay? So if you have a FICO score number upwards in the 800s, then you're gonna get the best terms there is because of your good borrowing, okay? Now if you have them down there in the 300s, 400 range, well, not only are you gonna get terrible rates and terms, but they might not even let you borrow anything just because of how low your credit score actually is, okay? Now keep in mind, this is not the only method for creating credit scores, okay? This is just simply one of them, but for the sake of this video right now, guys, we're gonna just stick to a FICO score, okay? Because when it comes to these other credit scores, their number ranges are gonna be far different from a FICO score, okay? And it's important to really keep track of your FICO score because, again, guys, this is gonna determine on the best rates that you get when you're applying for a car or for a home or whatever. And it's important that you really start building this up and just keep in check on it every single year, okay? You don't want a bad dent to your name and you end up having the worst interest rates and terms just because of a dent that you didn't bother checking, okay? So be sure to always keep track of that score, okay guys? Again, what's it called? FICO score, correct. So anyways guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Better yet, I hope you guys actually understood that video. If you did, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. If you haven't already, be sure to also subscribe as well, where we discuss a bunch of finance things on this channel, things that you really need to learn, because you're not really gonna learn this anywhere else unless you're subscribed to the channel, all right? Just kidding, you don't have to, but I mean, it will benefit both of us, right? And as always guys, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright guys, later.